Hello everyone, this is Ramya Devi from Department of Biomedical Engineering at Erode Secondary Engineering College. Now we are going to discuss about the auditory and hearing threshold measurement techniques. This topic is essential part of biomedical engineering, played a key role in diagnostic and understanding hearing related problems. And next one is seminar topic is auditory and hearing threshold measurement. And what is auditory audiometry? Audiometry is the science of measurement hearing ability, and hearing threshold measurement technique, which is the method used to find the softest sound a person can hear. And next one is an introduction to audiometry is it is a scientific procedure used to measure a person's hearing capability. It determines the hearing threshold, which is the lowest sound level a person can hear across different frequency. Typically, test or performed in a soundproof room using headphones or earphones. Audiometry helps identifying whether someone has normally hearing or any degree of hearing losses. And next one is and importance of audiometry is it plays a vital role in detecting hearing losses and identifying whether it is a conductive or sensory neural or mixed. And next one is a diagnostic ear related disorder allowing early medical interventions. And industrial hearing conservation is especially in noisy workplaces, and selecting and fine tuning hearing aids for patients. So audiometry is not only diagnostic but also helps in the rehabilitations. And next one is and basic principle is fundamental principles of audiometry in stimulus response method. A pure tone of different frequency is presented to be the patients, and the intensity of the sound is gradually decreased until they can hear it, and then increased again until they respond. The threshold is the lowest intensity the patient hears 50% of the time. This threshold is measured in decibels. And next one is types of audiometry. It is major types of audiometry include pure tone audiometry, speech audiometry, impedance audiometry, and acoustics emissions and auditory brainstream responses. Pure tone audiometry is measures hearing sensitivity for pure tones. Speech audiometry is the measures how well a person understands speech. Impedance audiometry is evaluates middle ear functions, and acoustic emission is checks inner ear outer hair cell functions, and auditory brainstem response is access the auditory nerve and brainstem. Each type provides a different layer of information about the hearing systems. And next one is and pure tone audiometry. It is called as a PTA is the most common used method procedure that test being 1,000 Hz, which is easy for hearing human to hear. The intensity is reduced by 10 decibels until the patient can no longer hear it. Then the intensity is increased by 5 decibels until they hear it again. This process is repeated for frequencies from 250 Hz to 8000 Hz. These results are plotted in a audiogram which shows the patient's hearing levels across frequencies. PTA helps identifying the degree and pattern of hearing losses. And next one, speech audiometry. Speech audiometry evaluates real life hearing ability. Two important measurements are speech reception threshold and speech discrimination score. Speech reception threshold is the lowest level at which a patient can correctly repeat 50% of spoken word, and speech discrimination score is called as the percentage of word a person can understand at a comfortable volumes. These methods helps evaluate communication ability, especially for hearing aids users. And next one is and impedance audiometry is this method evaluates the middle ear, especially the eardinum and the ossicles. It measures acoustic impedance, meaning how much the middle ear resists sound. A tympanogram graph shows how well the eardinum moves with changes air pressures. It helps to diagnostic middle ear fluid, eardrum preparations, and eustachian tubes dysfunctions, and it is an essential test for children and patients with ear infections. And next one, and photoacoustic emission is measures sound produced by outer hair cells in the inner ear, very useful for the newborn hearing screening because it is quick and non-invasive. Auditory brainstem response is called as the electrodes are used to measure electrical activity in the auditory nerve brainstems and helps to detect nerve-related hearing problems, tumors, or issues beyond the ear. And these tests are objective and to do requires patient's response. So they are ideal for infants and unconscious patients. And next one is now, and audiometer components. Audiometer components include tone generator for producing sounds, attenuator for adjusting sound intensity, transducer like a headphone, board, vibration, or speakers, and a response switch for patient input, display unit, the procedure, the audiogram produces the audiogram. These components work together to measure hearing accurately. And next one is, and audiogram interpretation is frequency and hearing level. Frequency is measured at the hertz and hearing level in decibels, and frequency on the x-axis and hearing level is the y-axis. Degree hearing losses normal வந்து 0 to 25 decibels and middle is measured as the 26 to 40 decibels and moderate is called as the 41 to 55 decibels. Severe means 71 to 90 decibels and profound means greater than 90 decibels. This helps to audio list understanding exactly how much hearing losses the patients has. And next one is, and modern digital audiometry. Today's audiometry uses automated audiometers, wireless earphones, cloud-based patient reports, and AI-based analysis for quick and accurate diagnostics. These advancement makes hearing test faster and most reliable. And next one is, and advantages and limitations. And advantages is accurate measurement and it is non-invasive, easy to perform. And limitations is require patient cooperations and are not suitable for infants or unconscious individuals. This is why auto-occlusive emissions and brain strains are alternative for such cases. And next one is, and applications is audiometry is widely used in ENT clinics, hospital, industry health programs and research labs, hearing aid selections and fitting centers. It plays a major role in maintaining hearing health. And next one is conclusion. To conclude, audiometry is an essential procedure for evaluating and understanding hearing by using technology like PTA, speech audiometry, OAA, and ABR. Clinics can obtain a complete picture of a person hearing capability. Modern systems and digital tools have further improved accuracy and accessibility, making audiometry a vital part of healthcare. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you have to ask in comment section. Thank you.